Hey Matt. Okay, so I got some stuff here. I got some cable. This is the crimper I was talking to you about, and the cable stripper for this stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set the camera down here, and I'm going to run through what to do with this stuff. Hopefully it stands upright. There we go. Okay, so what you have to make sure of first is that the end of your cable is not all kind of wrecked. You want a nice clean cut on it. So I'm just going to cut off the end of it. There, I get a nice clean cut there now. And then you take the cable stripper. It has a guide on one end of it, so you can't put the cable through too far, but you put it in as far as it'll go there, and then you give it a few turns back and forth. What I usually do on it as well too is pinch it, give it another couple, and then just pull it right off, and then you'll have some parts fall out of it. But this is what you need, is a nice clean end here. You want to make sure that none of this shielding is going to come anywhere close to that center contact, and you want to make sure that the tip of this here, when you look at it, has no little pieces of tin foil or anything else to connect them. So once it's looking good like that, you just take your end that you have here and you shove it onto there. It doesn't matter if this stuff is like coming out, right? It can fold back like that. That's fine. Keeps it away from the other end. So you stick this thing on, you push it through until you can kind of see in the middle there. If I can focus in on it, we'll see. There we go. The white part is even with the kind of the back wall of that connector. So I'll check it here. That's pretty close. What will happen is the tip of the copper will stick out just a little bit past it, and the back wall will be even with where that that white insulation is. And then this crimper, you got to make sure that it has this little silver piece in it, because this thing just pops off, but that has to be in there. And then all you do is you open it up like so, you put the cable in there, and the part that spins right there will go over top of a part that's smaller there, and then you just crimper down, and after you do that, it's a compression fitting, so this area will get smaller and that thing will be locked on there. Now you can't get it off. Alright, that's about it. If you have any other questions, send me a text or something like that, but that should do it for you.